The most widely used sink for high-end kitchen design are undermount sinks. Undermount sinks are popular because there is no lip on the countertop to catch dirt, so you can easily brush crumbs or swipe spills directly into the sink.
Replacing an undermount sink on site is a major task for a fabricator because even if they cut and modify the sinkhole, it is almost impossible to polish the lip of the granite countertop on site without excessive water and diamond tools. And they have to take the whole granite to their shop and they have to do their work there and bring it back and install the sink. Topzero sink is changing the whole aspect of this business. Replacing undermount sinks is an easier job for fabricators and remodelers. This is the best way to remodel a kitchen sink on site without pulling the granite.
The sink is really beautiful. I'm more than pleased with the outcome. The Topzero sink not only enhances the beauty of the island, it definitely increased the size of the sink that I can use, and I'm really looking forward to using it. It's absolutely beautiful.
Replacing undermount sinks on site is now possible. All credit goes to the exclusive rimless design of the Topzero sink.